Dear students, welcome to Social Science YouTube channel. Today, I'm uploading video number 4. So today we will discuss History's chapter 4, Opposition to British Rule in Karnataka. Question number 1. Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan fought against the British from A. Mysore Kingdom, B. Maratha Kingdom, C. Hyderabad, D. Bengal Kingdom. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. Mysore Kingdom. Second question is, the 18th century in Indian history is considered as the age of Indian Renaissance, B. century of political problems, C. age of moderates, it's D. era of revolts. Yes, you are correct, children. Answer is B. century of political problems. So because of numerous causes, this 18th century was called century of political problem. The main cause was the death of Aurangzeb, created political crisis in both North India and South India. The third question is, Nawab of Arcot, Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad were fighting to, option A, prevent expansion of the British rule, B, establish their supremacy on each other, C, check the growth of Mysore ruler, it's D, establish their power in North India. Yes, children, the correct answer is B, establish their supremacy on each other. So this Nawab of Arcot, Marathas, Nizam, they wanted to establish their supremacy on each others. So Nawab wanted capture Maratha territories, when Marathas wanted to capture Nawab and Nizam's territories. So this one also led to the crisis in South India. The first Anglo-Mysore War was ended with the A. Treaty of Madras, B. Treaty of Mangalore, C. Treaty of Srirangapatna, D. Treaty of Mysore. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. Treaty of Madras. The Treaty of Mangalore was signed to end the A. First Anglo-Mysore War, B. Third Anglo-Mysore War, C. Second Anglo-Mysore War, D. Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. The correct answer is C. Second Anglo-Mysore War. The Third Anglo-Mysore War was ended with the A. Treaty of Madras, B. Treaty of Mangalore, C. Treaty of Srirangapatna, D. Treaty of Mysore. The correct answer is Treaty of Srirangapatna. So first Anglo-Mysore War ended with the Treaty of Madras. Second Anglo-Mysore War ended with the Treaty of Mangalore. The third Anglo-Mysore War ended with the Treaty of Srirangapatna. During the third Anglo-Mysore War, the British army was led by A. Lord Cornwallis, B. Lord Wellesley, C. Lord Dalhousie, it's D. Lord Canning. Yes, the correct answer is A. Lord Cornwallis. So Lord Cornwallis was in Madras. So when Tipu was more active in Mysore Kingdom, so he was sent to suppress the Tipu. So he came to Mysore through the Kolar, Oscote, and even after capturing, destroying the Bangalore fort, Cornwallis captured Srirangapatna with the help of Nizam of Hyderabad and the Marathas. So finally, Tipu lost the war. The war was ended with the Treaty of Srirangapatna. Hyder Ali was defeated in the battle held in Port Nova by the British. As a result of this, the Second Anglo-Mysore War was ended. The confidence of the British was increased. Tipu surrendered to the British. Mysore fell in the hands of the British. The correct answer is B. The confidence of the British was increased. After defeating Hyder Ali at Fort Nova, they built up their confidence. Later, they defeated Hyder Ali in many places. Hyder Ali also fell ill. Later, he passed away. The war was continued by Tipu. So Tipu captured British territories. At the end of the war, so British were forced to sign Treaty of Mangalore. During the Third Anglo-Mysore War, Coimbatore and Dindigals were captured by option A, Meadows, B, Tipu Sultan, C, Wellesley, D, Warren Hastings. Yes, the correct answer is A, Meadows. During the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, the British Governor General was A, Meadows, B, Cornwallis, C, Wellesley, D, Warren Hastings. Yes, the correct answer is C, Wellesley. During the First Anglo-Mysore War, Warren Hastings was there. During the Second Anglo-Mysore War, he continued the same. Third Anglo-Mysore War, Cornwallis. The Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, Lord Wellesley was the Governor General of British. Tipu died while fighting the British in 1777, 1778, 1799, 1800. Yes, the correct answer is 1799. So Tipu was killed in the battlefield fighting against the British. Dondia was called as the war, the tiger, due to his A, bravery, B, attack on tiger, C, time sense, D, escape from the British prison. The answer is A, bravery. Yeah, he was very brave. He worked for Hyder Ali and even he continued to work to his son Tipu Sultan. But there was a difference of opinion between the Tipu and the Hyder Ali. Tipu and the Hyder Ali. So therefore, Tipu arrested him and kept in jail. After the death of Tipu, Dondiavaga came out of the jail and revolted against the British. Because of his bravery, he was called Wab. Chennamma revolted against the British. A, divide and rule policy, B, subsidiary alliance policy, C, doctrine of lapse policy, and D, war and negotiation policy. Yes, the correct answer is doctrine of lapse. So Rani Chennamma had adopted son. British tried to capture her kingdom in the pretext of doctrine of lapse. So therefore Rani Chennamma revolted against the British. The British attacked Kittur second time under the leadership of Colonial A, Deacon, B, Thackeray, C, Dalhousie, D, Munro. Yes, the correct answer is A, Deacon. So Colonial Deacon came to Dharwad as a collector after the death of Thackeray. So he tried to capture the Kittur, and even he is successful. He defeated Chennamma, and Chennamma and Sanguli Rayana both were arrested and they were imprisoned. The British officer who was shot dead by Chennamma in Kittur was A. Deacon, B. Thackeray, C. Sir Ayerkut, D. Hector Munro. The correct answer is Thackeray. So Thackeray tried to confiscate Kittur and Kittur treasury. Therefore, he attacked on Chennamma. Chennamma bravely fought against the Thackeray and she shot dead him in the battlefield. After Thackeray only, Deacon came and took the help of some traitors of Kittur and he defeated Rani Chennamma. The British shifted Chennamma to Kusagal prison from Bailavangala as A. She tried to escape. B. She was helping Rayanna. C. The British lost their control on Bailavangala. D. Rayanna attacked on Bailavangala. Yes, the correct answer is B. She was helping Rayanna. So Sanguli Rayanna was secretly meeting Rani Chennamma and she was guiding him to carry out the protest or a fight against the British. So finally British came to know this and they shifted Chennamma to Kusagal prison from Bailavangala. Later she died there only. Common man who helped Chennamma to fight against the British is Dondiava, Puttabasappa, Sangulli Rayanna, Venkatappa Nayaka. The correct answer is C. Sangulli Rayanna. Helped the Rani Chennamma to fight against the British. Next, the king of Kodagu who was dethroned by the British was Puttabasappa, Kedambadi Ramaya Gowda, Chikka Veera Rajendra, Guddemane Appaya. The correct answer is Chikka Veera Rajendra. A British dethroned the Chikka Veera Rajendra and he was exiled. He was thrown out of the Kodagu. And also they divided Kodagu as Upper Kodagu and Lower Kodagu. So this one later led to the Kodagu revolt. Amarasulya's revolt was led by A. Puttabasappa, B. Kedambadi Ramaya Gowda, C. Chikka Veera Rajendra, D. Guddemane Appaya. Yes, the answer is A. Puttabasappa. When British divided Kodagu as Upper Kodagu and Lower Kodagu, the Lower Kodagu was called as Amarasulya. So British imposed heavy taxes on Amarasulya people and forced them to pay the tax in the form of cash. Therefore, many farmers revolted against the British. The farmers' revolt was led by Puttabasappa. Rebellion of Surapura was led by A. Dondiavak, B. Puttabasappa, C. Sangulli Rayanna, D. Venkatappa Nayaka. The answer is D. Venkatappa Nayaka. So British suspected that Venkatappa Nayaka had given shelter for the relatives of Nana Sahib. Therefore, they attacked on Surapur. So Venkatappa Nayaka revolted against the British. Veerappa led a rebellion of Koppal, revolt of 1857, rebellion of Surapur, revolt of Kodagu. The answer is A. Rebellion of Koppal. The people who revolt against the British from Alagali were Nayakas, Bedas, Sardars, Mogaviras. The correct answer is Bedas. So these Bedas revolted against the British and bravely fought against them. but British inhumanly suppressed them. Rebellion of Bedas due to the A. Ban on the usage of weapons, subsidiary alliance, doctrine of lapse, introduction of Enfield rifles. Yes, the correct answer is A. Ban on the usage of weapons. So British ordered all the Indians that who own unlicensed weapons must be handed over to the British. But this Beda's main livelihood was hunting. For that, they were using unlicensed weapons. They refused to hand over them. And also, it was a traditional part of their culture, keeping arms in their houses. So, therefore, they protested against the British. Kittur Chennamma adopted son was Shivalingarudra Sarja, Malla Sarja, Shivalingappa, Damodara. The correct answer is Shivalingappa. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to this channel. Fifth video will be uploaded tomorrow.